Welcome to our lesson about the Offset tool. Right now in the graphic area, I've got one surface body, Surface Extrude 1, and one solid body, Extrude 1. Let's activate the Offset Surface tool. We'll select these two faces, reverse the direction by clicking here. Now we specify the distance of the offset, 10 millimeters is just fine, and let's click OK. Here is our first offset surface, noted in the tree as Surface Offset 1. We can create an offset surface using a solid body too. Let's clear Surface Offset 1 from the selection window and make our new selections. OK. Let's hide both of our new offsets here. Shift select, hide, and let's create another offset. Let's enter a value of 0 for the offset distance and click OK. What I've effectively done here is create a second surface that occupies the exact same spot as the original surface. Zero offset surfaces can be used as reference geometry, for example. Another way to create a zero offset surface is using the Knit tool. Let's try that out. We select the faces of the solid body to knit. Now right-click and select Other to get the remaining sides. Click OK. Let's hide this extrude. And here we have our zero offset surfaces. This concludes our lesson about using the Offset Surface tool.